In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting on Calendly. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create and choose an event type. You'll see several options available. For example, let's select One-on-One, which is used for meetings with a single invitee. After selecting the event type, you can rename the event. For example, you can name it Meeting with Project Manager. Next, choose the duration of the meeting. You can select from the suggested options or choose custom and manually enter the time. You can also switch between minutes and hours depending on your preference. Now, go to the location section. Here you can choose where the meeting will take place. You'll see options like Zoom, phone call, in-person, and more under All Options. For this example, let's choose in-person. Then enter the complete location name or address so your invitee knows exactly where to go. You can also add a short note if needed and even add multiple location options if you want your invitee to choose from different meeting places. Next, head to the availability section. Here you can set the date range and time range for when people can book this meeting. By default, it uses your working hours, but you can switch to a custom schedule if you want different availability. After that, go to the host section and select who will host the meeting. For example, if you're the host, just select your email. Once everything is set, click Create. You will then see a preview of how your scheduling page looks to invitees. From here, you can copy the event link and share it with the person you're meeting with so they can book a time. And that's it. That's how you schedule a meeting on Calendly. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.